This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Rich Kwok. Welcome to 1344 N Hillview Dining Room. Gorgeous single-family home in a desirable neighborhood with highly ranked Milpitas schools nearby. It has an open floor plan, is spacious and bright. Upgraded kitchen with tiled walls, marble countertops, gas range and stainless steel appliances. Freshly painted living room with beautiful wood paneling. Big family room with wood-burning fireplace. Recessed lights in the kitchen, living and family rooms. Updated modern-looking bathrooms. The home has central heat/air conditioner. Low maintenance front yard and backyard. Great location, with quick access to highways, shops and parks. A must-see indeed.